Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontraining.com. It is Friday. Happy Friday, the 19th of January. This is our weekly recap. If you want to join us, come over to smartoptiontrading.com. There's a link in the description below. You can join us by clicking on live trading alerts to join our live trading room. If you want my 2024 outlook, man, so many of these names have already hit. You could buy it for $99. Meta's hit, Amgen's hit, AMD has gone ballistic, among just to name a few. So not too late. Love to have you join us. All right, let's talk about the week here. We're ending this week on a very bullish note. Options expiration typically whippy. We whipped for the first couple hours this morning and we took off just before noon. And here we are on the SPY putting in a all-time high. All right, so while the market, I don't think participation is great. We've had a debate about that in the room today. Breadth has improved steadily here, much better than it was earlier today. SPY is trading at an all-time high. Nice cup and handle pattern played out here, and here we are. And here's your little breakout to the upside. So we'll see how this kind of trades out over the next couple of days as we go into a big week of earnings. The SMHs are been leading the semis, leading a new all-time high here. The semis themselves, guys, are just absolutely in a place where they're almost untouchable, half these names. This week I traded AMD, I traded NVIDIA, I traded SMCI today. And, all these are just screaming hot and extended. NVIDIA, new all-time high, 593. AMD, new all-time high, 173.80 there. ARM hit an all-time high here today, popping above it. SMCI has gone ballistic off of, there we go, sorry, off of pre-announcing their Q2 earnings. Look at this move on this thing today. Pick a name. Micron's been very strong, pushing up. Avgo hit a new all-time high today. LRCX hit a new all-time high today. This is where they're at. They're hiding in the semis and they're using them to push it. So a lot of strong strength going on there. Energy remains weak. The Dow, while strengthening up today, put a new all-time high in, not participating as strong. The Qs, this is 2 days in a row of all-time highs. I mean, just look at this market. The IWM, which has been lagging, it woke up a little bit today, but didn't do all that much. The financials also rallying today. Nice big push here in the XLF. JP Morgan is the one that is leading this rally there. Big move on JP Morgan today. Goldman Sachs also waking back up with all the rest of the names. So you take away the semis, what else has been going on? PayPal took off. That's another one of my names in the 2024 outlook. Look at this move here, breaking to a multi-week high here. Strong move on PayPal. Apple, after all that being beaten up, Bank of America upgraded yesterday. Look at the size of this gap and go, right? Traded that this week. Look at this move, fill this other gap up here. Apple saying there's nothing wrong. Hey, Meta today, we called this out early this morning, all-time highs there. Microsoft, new all-time highs there. You guys kind of get in the picture. They're piling into big tech, and that's what's leading. So you have a lot of strength in these big tech names. Tesla, not so much. Tesla here has been very weak. Tesla's feeling a little sickly. It's bouncing today, not all that much with the markets. We have earnings there on Wednesday. It's a big week. So that we go into the Fed blackout period for next week. So we'll have nothing from them. We have earnings kicks in higher next week. We got names like Netflix on Tuesday. We have Tesla. We have IBM. We have Intel in there. We have Las Vegas Sands, to name a few. They get a nice wide look of the market. And then the week after, not this week, the following week, all your big tech names report. So with that said, smartoptiontrading.com, link in the description below. At least subscribe to my channel here on YouTube, and I'll catch you guys all bright and early Monday in the room.